What if I told you parrots actually have names for each other? Yep, not just random sounds or mimicry. Real, individual names. Kind of like humans. Scientists studied over 800 parrots and found something incredible. These birds use unique vocal calls to identify specific individuals, not just groups like flock or humans, but one particular bird. Even more fascinating, some parrots will actually say their own name just to grab attention. That means parrots aren't just copying sounds, they're using language in a much smarter way than we thought. So next time you hear a parrot talk, it might not just be noise. It could be calling someone by name.